Today, away from the norm, we're going to talk back alley beds, broke-ass backpack carrying boat buyers, backdoor drug deals, with the main focus of bunk-ass engine builders. Why the hell is it taking so long to get the engine back for the stinky-ass Jeep project that's been sitting there for 6 months collecting dust? If you've been paying attention to my channel, you know that I bought 2 of them things and sold them already. I'm supposed to use my channel to inspire and empower people just like you. I'm broken today. So I've got the heads put on the Jeep, and I'm gonna start putting on the timing. Check everything out. What the hell? The stinking balance shaft is missing.
Emotional, damn it!
So I waited 6 months, Accurate Engines, to build the bottom, to only get part of an engine. Oh yeah, Patty Ray reminded me. It took so long because they sold the engine block in the good core that I took them. Instead of rebuilding mine, they sold it to somebody else. So the freaking oil pan was missing. I had to take it off my core motor over there. Now the freaking balance shaft is missing. This is some Accurate Engines Lanny BS that he does. Lanny's the owner of Accurate Engines. The workers there, they're great. But Lanny, not the greatest person. He's constantly getting sued. I can't say for certain why, but when somebody sends their engines in for warranty, or heaven forbid, the whole automobile, there's a lot of cars that come back there for warranty. While I was there, there were over 30 cars at one time that needed warranty. Heck, the year that I was there was at least 5 or 6 that were there the whole time I was there, and it's probably more. I just don't want to lie. You know, I think it was closer to 20. I'm not sure. There's so many. The car might sit there for a year or two. And they were sponsoring my channel for a year. The guys there would tell me that the car sat there for so long that people would go and buy other cars because they didn't get them back. See, what happens is when you send your vehicle to a shop, they're doing warranty work, well, there's no more money. When there's no more money, check this out. One time after I decided to go there and they were sponsoring my channel for a year, decided to go and look on Google after I went there. And I don't remember the exact verbiage this woman used, and I couldn't find the comment, but it was hilarious. This woman says, "Don't go to Accurate Engines because they lie to colored people all the time." I was like, I wanted to say, well, that's just not colored people. They lie to everybody all the time. I should say Lanny. Mostly Lanny. The guys that work for him, they just do what they're paid to do. Don't believe me? Look up their Google reviews. Don't blame me. I'm kind of dumb.
Are you stupid or something?
Honestly, as stupid as a stupid does.
I didn't look them up before I went there. I'm like, they're a nationwide engine rebuilder. We fit together like
Peas and carrots.
Hey, it's not all hater stuff here. If you have something good to say about them, let them know on their Google reviews or even in the comments down below. I mean, you know, there could be somebody. If you have something bad to say about them, you can let them go too down there. So we're going to go ahead and take the balance shaft out of the other engine that we got. But because there's probably only like maybe 4 dozen people in the world that are ever going to want to change their balance shaft, let's talk about what kind of day I'm having. Yeah, that'll be fun. So my shop is in Muskegon, Michigan. At least one of them is. And it looks pretty nice, you know, got some trees lining a walkway down here. That's a bike path. Then we got a bench for the homeless. And you got crap like this. Because a block from my shop, we've got a mission. Here at my neighbor's shop, one day, these mattresses arrived. My guess is somebody just put them there for a quickie. Then, first, Patty Ray spends about 2 hours outside picking up all of this crap. Yesterday, this was all littered with trash. Come back the next day, and there's more trash. Dude, they literally leave dead fish on the ground. Ew, that's freaking gross. The neighbor comes over and says, hey, at nighttime, there's somebody putting stuff in the back of your Jeep, and then somebody else is coming over and picking it up. So because the power doesn't work in this thing, I had to figure out a way to lock this back gate so it wouldn't open and close. And then Patty Ray made this sweet sign that says, drugs are banned, okay? Don't do drugs. drugs. And a guy comes over with the backpack, walks into my shop, and he's looking around like, hey, you want to sell that boat out there? Yeah, dude, you got a backpack and you need a boat? Come on, man. What do you plan on doing? Putting the hitch in your asshole? So then we get on Amazon and we're looking for some private property signs. And these private property no trespassing signs on Amazon are about 10 bucks for 4 of them, or is it 15 bucks? Actually, it's 15 bucks for 4, and they're available at Walmart for $1.25. That's just some of the shenanigans outside. Wait till you see the shenanigans that are going on inside. So this Jeep's been sitting in the shop for a couple months. You may have seen the video where we bought it, and something was wrong with the engine. The valve seats were dropped right out of that thing. Then we pulled the heads off. Then we realized once we fixed the heads, and since we already had the heads rebuilt, we took the engine block over to Accurate Engines. 6 months later, we finally get the block back. Believe it or not, though, there is a silver lining. I actually had a guy send me this from Maine, and this is the coolest keychain ever. We're going to use that in another video where we talk about how blown head gaskets work and maybe how you can fix them, or maybe not. He may actually be from another state, and I know the name of the state, but I don't want to murder the name. So, thanks for the keychain, Cody. That's also not his name. I love it when you people send me nice comments, you share my videos and all of that stuff. God bless you folks. I'm here to inspire and empower people just like you and show you that if anybody else can do it, I promise you, you can do it too. God bless, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have the best of days.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.